Hello everyone and welcome to Online Teaching Development Program. Hi everyone, my name is Shaheen and in this video I'm going to tell you about Online Teaching Development Program at Arkana Education, and I'm going to also tell you how to register and start in this program. This is going to be a compensated program, meaning if your application gets approved and you start with this program, you will be compensated based on your hours and the effort that you put into this program to develop, prepare, and teach online courses. Our OCT certified and experienced development team will provide support and guidance towards all and every step of the way for you to prepare and develop courses in order to support and provide Ontario accredited courses. So let's look at the program overview together. In this program, first we're going to prepare for designing online courses. Our online courses are based on the Ontario Ministry of Education curriculum documents, and the finalized version of the online courses are going to be accredited based on Ontario education system, and it will be available for students from grade 1 to 12 to take these courses based on Ontario education system. Our development program and our user-friendly and simple to use course development program allows us teachers to focus on their knowledge and creativity. And the designing aspect of the online courses, as well as the structure and planning of the courses, will be the parts that comes from Arkana Education. So teachers in this program will be mainly focused on preparing the content of the courses and focusing on the knowledge and creativity of the lessons. As I mentioned, all candidates will receive full support from our certified and experienced team. We provide the designer team for the aspects of visual and graphical parts of the lesson design, as well as the web designing and course developing. And also, we will prepare and help you to structure your courses and prepare your lessons for the assigned courses. So without further ado, let's look at how we can register and start in this program. There are 4 steps to start and register in this program, and the first step is to read and look at the sample lesson planning file provided to you from Arkana Education. So I'm going to open this file on a different tab. I'm going to briefly show you what this is. So this is the planning of the lesson that you are going to prepare and send to us. There's a template provided to you which will help you step by step how to provide a lesson planning. And this is going to be a sample work, so you're not required to complete the whole lesson, and a specified parts of this lesson is required for you to prepare and send it to us as a sample work. So please read the lesson planning sample file to understand what the procedure of designing one lesson plan is. And in the second step, you will need to choose one of these topics. There are 5 topics provided to you. One is a history lesson. The second one is a visual art lesson, grade 10. The third one is a chemistry grade 12 lesson. Fourth one is accounting essential grade 11 lesson. And the last one is the writer's craft grade 12 lesson. So please choose one of these topics and go to the associate pages of this topic and prepare a sample lesson planning based on what you saw and read on the file provided on section 1 and based on the topic you choose on the second part. On the third part, you're going to create the sample file. So there's a link. If you click on this link, it will take you to a Google Doc copy file where you can click on the make a copy, and you will have a sample file just like this one, and you can start your work. As I mentioned, because this is for the purpose of application, you do not need to complete the entire section of the lesson planning. For the purpose of this application, you will only need to prepare the title page, which is the first page here. So the name of the lesson and the name of the course and the date. You also need to do the introduction, which is on the second page introduction here. It explains to you what we are asking for this section. So on the box here, you will write the introduction section. Then we will need the lesson agenda items and lesson content, which you can find it on this page here on page 4. So lesson agenda will go on this table and lesson content will go on this table. And also at the end, if you like and if you have time, you can prepare for the other sections as well, but the other sections are optional. After you're done, please save your file as a PDF single file and send it to info@arkanaeducation.ca. So this is a procedure of how to start with this program. We will review your file and your sample work, and we will contact you if we need to talk to you about the next step of how to start this program and how to start designing your online course. Thank you for watching this video and hope to hear from you soon.